Hey guys, it's about 2 a.m. right now, and I'm sure that tomorrow I'll be waking up late, so I'll be cooking my soup right now. And here is my 3 ingredients Chinese peanut soup. I'll be blanching my chicken carcass in a hot boiling water. Chicken carcass is quite a relative good alternative to a pork bones because it's cheap. It's only 80 cents for one whole chicken carcass, and it makes your soup very sweet. So you can use chicken keel, chicken breast, or any parts of the chicken body, but make sure you rinse it, or you can use pork bones. So once it come to a boiling point, I'm just gonna wash the chicken carcass over clean water, just rinse it clean, and I'll be adding into this new pot of water. I'm using my thermal pot, and I have about like 2 liters of water in it, and I'll boil it. So now I'm gonna add in the clean chicken carcass. And for peanut soup, my husband, my big boss, he doesn't take peanuts. He doesn't take peanut butter or anything peanuts. He's not a fan of peanut, and somehow he loves peanut soup. So I do cook peanut soup often. Sometimes I add in together with lotus root, but it's been like few days, or I can say it's a few weeks, I cannot find lotus root in the wet market. So today I'm just gonna cook this simple peanut soup. So I added in all my ingredients, which is the peanut and the red dates. Red dates, I just pick a handful of red dates, rinse, same goes to the peanut which I've rinsed, and add everything in, then bring it to boil about like 30 minutes. I'm gonna boil it over for 30 minutes just to get the flavor going. I just want to make sure that everything is very hot before I put into a thermal pot. Thermal pot is good because it doesn't cost you any gas or electricity. Sometimes if you're running late or anything, you just like boil it for 10 minutes, then you put it into a thermal pot. So now after like 30 minutes, my soup is boiling hot. Then I'm gonna add in like about a teaspoon of salt, so that it will enhance the flavor and then to make it very tasty. And it got a beautiful color to the soup already, as I can see from here. Then I'm gonna close the lid and transfer this pot to my thermal pot. I'm just gonna put the stainless steel pot into this thermal pot, close the lid, and I'm gonna jump to my bed because it's late. So good night, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. It's lunchtime. I actually reheat this about 10 a.m. just now, but I forgot to take a video of it. And as you can see, after 2 hours, now it's about 12 something. The soup is really hot, still hot. So I'm just gonna serve it. Thermal pot is really good if you want to cook soup overnight or keep it warm for a long time, long hours. So if you're a working mom, or if you have a glee toddler like me, sometimes I just cook the soup, then put it into a thermal pot, and there's zero worries about it because it's not on a stove, it's not on electric or anything, so it's safe. And here's my soup. I'm gonna have lunch now. Please subscribe. Bye.